Hello everyone, my name is Horne-Shambry. I'm here to talk about the importance of hydration. And I know this is a topic that some people don't want to talk about, but it's a topic that needs to be discussed or at least presented. Put a seed in your heart, maybe you can tell somebody else if you don't want to use it for yourself. Okay. The importance of drinking water. How many people understand that you are a walking body of water? But actually you're supposed to be. But we all know that sometimes that's not what we drink. Okay? And I just wanted to point out some things so you can understand, because you don't really see yourself. Your eyes are looking at other people. But if you actually really took time to look at yourself, you might think about your lungs. That takes 90% of water that you drink. So if you only drink 4 ounces a day and you divide 90%, then the rest of your body only has a few ounces left. Okay? Your 60%, your body's composed of 60 or 70% water. Males and females, some have more than others depending on your body size. So as you can see those percentages, the blood you need 82%, kidneys 80%, skin 80%, muscles 75%, and your bones and brain, they all take water. Okay? So it's a good thing to remember. Now the effects of being dehydrated. Dehydrated doesn't start with just because you don't feel thirsty, because your body learns to adapt to what you give it. If you don't give it any water, it's not going to give you thirsty signals. So after a period of time, your cells will learn how to live dehydrated, and you'll have symptoms like this. You'll feel fatigued and tired, and you'll wonder why. And also, you know, what's happening, those enzymes that your cells need to move and give you energy are slowed down or halted. And so that's why you're tired, because your cells can't move around. So you need water to start pushing out the toxins and pushing out things so that you can have energy. Being dehydrated, you can have digestive disorders, which in America a lot of times we have. I know I've had them. I still work on mine. And you know, you need to have friendly bacteria in your body, and eat foods, live whole foods that help your body digest food, as well as if you haven't got there, you can use probiotics to help your digestive system. Some things that people drink, or that we all may drink now and again, is coffee, soda, and other sports drinks that actually dehydrate your body. So I know water was put on this earth for us to drink, and nobody really likes it. That's really a shame, but we don't. You know, we say yuck to the water and yay to soda and yay to sugar. You know. Okay. What we could do to alleviate some of those symptoms is have an acid-alkaline balance in our body, because what happens, you feel an imbalance because your body starts having dehydrated symptoms. You start having indigestion. You start having problems. And so what you can do to maintain that balance is actually, they have strips, little pH strips that you can test yourself. And each one of you can take one of these home if you like, or I could just let you pass one around. These are cut smaller than normal, but I'll let you pass it around, look at it. The yellow part of the strip actually will turn colors, just like it's like a science test. You are a wonderfully made organism, so it is a science experiment. So you just test your urine or your saliva, and it will give you a range of your alkalinity. You normally want to stay in the 7-point range, and that's going to be a good alkaline level, because your body is more alkaline than acidic. And this is the scale of alkaline balance, starting at 5 and goes all the way. The scale goes all the way up to 14. And so you want to stay within that neutral zone, 7 to 7.5. You want to stay out of that acid zone, but the problem is you can't get alkaline if you eat acid. Hamburgers, sodas, coffee, and things like that. That's very acidic to the body. And you can, in this presentation, I'm not going to talk about foods that are healthy for you to eat, because that's going to be another subject to talk about. So that's something you can look up on your own. You know, about what is alkalizing to your body and healthy to help your body maintain good hydration and maintain the enzymes and the alkalinity. And again, without proper hydration, you have constipation. I mean, I know this could be a yucky thing to talk about, but I mean, it's a real situation, because if you don't have the proper bowel movements, then you don't feel good. And then you're storing toxins. And on top of that, then you can develop high blood pressure, diabetes, and all types of other ailments and diseases that you really don't have to have if you take your favorite thing that was designed for you to have in your body, with water.
Isn't necessarily, I guess, no matter your weight or anything, to drink 64 ounces, or is that like the minimum 64 ounces for anybody?
Well, it is recommended that, depending on your weight, you take, say if you're a 150-pound person, you should drink at least 75 ounces of water. So you just take, 1 times half of your weight, and that will indicate how much water you should drink. But if you can't drink that much water because your cells are so dehydrated, and you try to put a gallon of water in there and they're going to tell you, I'm not drinking it, you have to start somewhere. Okay? Whatever you normally drink of your favorite drink, try to back it up with the same ounces of that drink with water. So just kind of match for right now until your body gets used to being hydrated. How many people here have high blood pressure or know somebody who's have high blood pressure? Okay. So now the simple, cheapest way to alleviate blood pressure is water. Not the only way, but it's one additive that you can add to your regime. Cholesterol. Cholesterol is on the rise, of course. And as you see our friend here, he loves cholesterol, our cholesterol monster there. Is that what Sims or the cartoon on? Yeah. So I thought that was kind of cute. But as you can see that, hydration is very important. And we should not discount ourselves and think that we're not as important as a hamburger. I mean, your body is more important than a hamburger and all this food that has cholesterol. So, please drink more water. Okay. Let's see, what's next? Oops. All right. Also, another thing that hydration can help with is weight. Once your body becomes 2% dehydrated, it starts storing fat. And anytime you're overweight, that's a key sign that your body is trying to save your life. The reason why you store the fat is because your body is protecting your organs and is trying to make sure that you do not die. So once you start adding that hydration to your body, you'll start seeing that those fat cells are going to go bye-bye, along with exercise and everything. Again, water is going to help decrease liver, kidney, and bladder problems, and help get rid of those concentrated toxins out of your organs. And there is no easy fix for getting toxins out of your body. There's not a feel-good pill that's going to make it go away. You work to get it in there, now you got to work to get it out. The easiest way to get it out is drinking pure water. Also, another problem that can happen with dehydration is joint problems. I don't know how many people here have had any arthritis or know anyone that has joint problems or knee problems or any wrist or carpal tunnel or anything like that, but hydration would help you in that area as well. Because your sinews and your joints need that fluid to be able to move without pain. Also, dehydration leads to premature aging. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want to get old anytime soon. So if you want to help your skin stay supple, male and female, nobody wants males to look old either, guys. You want you guys to look young too. To stop that oxidation of your body is to drink pure water. Okay. And in conclusion, like I said before, you guys, you're very important. Your bodies are important. We should, remember that and realize that you need 6 to 8 glasses, like the young lady said. That's just a standard. But of course, it's going to depend on your body weight and what you can handle. Start somewhere. And I just want to make sure that you understand that, you can live a stress-free life, not to worry or beat yourself up if you can't make your goals. but at least start. Make one step at a time. And I want to thank you, and stay hydrated for life.
There's been some, I was wondering if there have been some studies that you've heard of that it helps deter cancer.
Oh.
Or fight cancer.
Yes. You want the quickest way. Get a juicer. You know, they have the most expensive ones that are $200–300. Well, I have a $60 one yet. One right now. I will get the $300 one next year. But at least I'm working towards it. Start twice a week. Gradually go up to 3 times a week. So you just have to start somewhere. But cancer is is really a fungal form, and it usually starts with yeast. Unfortunately, I know you guys like to brew and all, but it does help. Beer's nothing wrong with beer. The people's bodies that are out of balance and they eat a lot of sugar and things like that, all it does is feed the cancer. Cancer loves sugar, and sugar, salt, and things like that, and you crave it, and people just eat a lot of it. So you don't want to feed the cancer. So.
Well, I'd heard that, and I was just wondering more information on it. I know that it was helping to fight by putting your body more alkaline.
That's exactly right.
Acidic.
Right. Well, there is alkaline water. You know, I do sell alkaline water machines, and I was not here to promote those, but since you brought it up.
You can send me that 20 later.
Gee, I didn't tell her about it either. Is there any more questions?